Okay, find the value of x. Now, the major challenge you're going to face whenever you're giving this kind of expression is this radical. So we must isolate this radical. How do we isolate it? We have then 2x. Bring this 5 from this right hand side to meet the 2x on the left hand side. The sign here is plus. By the time it changes position, it becomes minus 5 equals to, the radical has a negative sign here. By the time it moves over from here to this side, it becomes positive. Therefore, we're going to have just square root x squared minus 8. So you can see that the radical has been isolated. Once you've done this, you must find a way to remove the square root. And that means we have to square both sides. Therefore, we say 2x minus 5 squared equals to square root x squared minus 8 all squared. This square we cancel with the square root, so that is gone, leaving us with 2x minus 5 squared equals to x squared minus 8. To expand this bracket means whenever you have a plus b squared, it becomes a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So if you bring this same thing here, this becomes, your a now is 2x, your b is minus 5. So a squared means 2x squared, which is 4x squared, plus 2ab. 2 times a, which is 2 times 2x, times b becomes 2 times 2x times minus 5. That will give us minus 20x. Then b squared is minus 5 squared, which becomes plus 25, all equal to x squared minus 8. Color like terms, that becomes 4x squared minus x squared minus 20x plus 25. So minus 8 will come over from here to meet with 25 because they are alike, and that becomes plus 8. This further reduces to, no, this is now 3x squared minus 20x plus 33, all equal to 0. We have to factorize this now. The sum is minus 20. The product is 3 times 33, 99. So which two numbers do we need to multiply together to get 99? And when we add them, they will give us minus 20. They must be positive. So we have minus 11 and minus 9. So by the time you say minus 9 minus 11, it will give you minus 20. And then minus 11 times minus 9, it will give you 99. So we can insert these factors into this expression. Remove this minus 20 and replace it with minus 11 and minus 9. That becomes minus 11x minus 9x plus 33 equals to 0. You notice that minus 11x minus 9x will still give you minus 20. Okay, so we can then factor out. We have 3x squared minus 11x minus, brackets open, 9x. Be careful here. If the sign here is minus and the one here is plus, in the bracket you must change it to minus, so that when you say minus times minus, it will give you back this plus. Minus times minus will give you back this plus. So this is what we have, equal to 0. Then bring out what is common in each bracket. X is common here, so I can bring out this x to have 3x minus 11. Notice that if I use this x, which is outside, to multiply the bracket, it will give me back the same thing here. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times minus 11 is minus 11x. So it is the same thing. Then do the same thing here. What is common between 9x and 33? 3 can go in 9 as well as go in 33. So 3 in 9, bring out the 3 here. Then divide 9x by 3, that will give you 3x. Divide 33 by 3, that will give you 11. You notice that if you multiply the contents of this bracket with this 3 that is outside, you will get back this. So that's how you know that you're getting it right. Minus 3 times 3x will give us 9. 3 times minus 11 give us minus 33. If you have done this now, make sure that the contents of the two brackets is the same. You can see we have 3x minus 11 here and the same value here. That means you're right. What you need to do now is to collect the coefficient of the brackets. So we have x, which is the coefficient here, minus 3, which is the coefficient here. And pick one of the brackets, just one because they are common now. So all equal to 0. Then this becomes x minus 3 equals to 0, or 3x minus 11 equals to 0. So here it becomes x equals to, minus 3 goes to mean 0 becomes 3 plus 0, that's 3. So we know this value here. The second value of x becomes 3x equals to, minus 11 goes to mean 0 becomes 0 plus 11, that is 11. So, or divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is now 3 here. So we have 11 all over 3. The two values of x that will satisfy that expression are x equals to 3 and x equals to 11 all over 3. Quiet, easily done. Thank you.